Hey there, tech enthusiasts!
Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we've got something special for you, the best POE security camera system on the market, the HiCu 4K POE Security Camera System. If you're serious about safeguarding your home or business, this is the system you've been looking for. Stick around as we dive deep into its features and performance. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our reviews of top-notch tech products like this one. Alright, let's kick things off with the standout feature of the HiCu 4K POE Security Camera System, its impressive 300-degree pan and 90-degree tilt capabilities. This means you can cover a vast surveillance area without any blind spots. Plus, it comes with built-in human tracking, which can automatically follow and monitor suspicious individuals. Just set the preset point, and you're good to go.
Now, here's a game-changer, two-way audio communication.
With this system, you can talk directly to anyone near the camera using your phone or a TV monitor connected to the NVR. This feature is perfect for instructing couriers, deterring intruders, or just checking in on loved ones. And if that's not enough, the HiCu system comes with an alarm light that's triggered when suspicious activity is detected. It's a powerful deterrent to unwanted guests. Now, let's talk about convenience. The free mobile app allows you to access your cameras remotely, receive push notifications, and play back recorded videos. It's like having your surveillance hub in the palm of your hand. Speaking of recorded videos, the system offers various recording modes, including 24/7 continuous recording and motion detection. You can choose specific recording times and use different playback modes like sync playback, motion detection playback, or common playback to review crucial footage. And here's the cherry on top. HiCu provides excellent customer support, offering a 1-month free return and exchange service, a 60-day money-back guarantee, a 1-year warranty, and lifetime technical support. They've got your back every step of the way. So, whether it's for your home or business, the HiCu 4K POE Security Camera System is a top-tier choice for all your surveillance needs. And if you're looking for options, HiCu offers various bundles to suit your specific requirements. From PTZ cameras to bullet cameras, there's something for everyone. That wraps up our in-depth review of the HiCu 4K POE Security Camera System. If you're serious about protecting your property, this is the system you need. With its exceptional features, ease of use, and strong customer support, it's hard to beat.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, for more tech reviews and insights, subscribe and stay connected. Until next time, stay safe and secure with the HiCu 4K POE Security Camera System. See you in the next video.